our setup for the weekend. Just coming in from the front of the site. As you can see, lots of woods, just like we like it here in Ontario at our beautiful parks. Just to turn around here. The trailer all set up. Dogs are happy. Everything's good. We woke up to a nice crisp morning this morning. The sun's finally out warming things up. So today we're going to take the dogs for a walk, do some hiking. There's I think 3 trails in Arrowhead Provincial Park. So we're going to check those out and have some fun, go for a run as well today and hopefully tomorrow, but tomorrow's supposed to rain, so we'll see how that goes. There's the sun.
I don't know if we're doing all those things, but...
Probably not, but we're definitely going for a run. Gabby, you got yourself in a predicament? Come on. So we're just walking to a lookout with the dogs. It's about 10:30 in the morning on Saturday, September 2nd. So last night after we set up, we had some dinner and then got a fire going, but the wood was all wet, which really sucks. Anyways, it's been bad in the provincial parks this summer, so it took a while for it to get going after a few choice words and whatnot. So we enjoyed the fire for the evening and then shut her down. So tomorrow's supposed to be raining where we are, so we're gonna try and make the most of today. And obviously we're always outside doing stuff, so we'll have to try and figure out what we're gonna have planned for tomorrow during the rain. So, but we'll get her done. This is why we love our Ontario parks. Always lots of woods, not open like that KOA campgrounds, all shoved in. It's the only thing I can compare it to because we had stayed in one, obviously. So this is how we roll in Canada. So here's the first section of the lookout. Pretty awesome. Tree growing right out of the side of the cliff.
It's an island.
Yeah. Really nice. Gorgeous. Somewhat fall day, but not the fall yet, but sure feels like it. Here we are. Really nice lookout point. No littering. Heather picks up the water bottle. Check. This is the back end of our campsite. There's a bit of a path that goes through there, and all in behind there are other sites. Can't really see them, but I can hear people, but it's super private. So we went for a run. It was really good. We did just over 5 kilometers. We just took it easy, looked around the park, found the beach on Arrowhead Lake. So I'll go down there later. There's no dogs allowed down there, so I'll go down there later and shoot some video there to show you. But just cooking some sausage for lunch. So yeah, beautiful down there. Really nice beach. I wish we could go down there, but no dogs allowed, but there is a dog beach we're going to try and find. Maybe we'll see, to maybe check it out tomorrow, but see if it's how the rain is, if it's raining too much or whatnot. So anyway, so far so good. The long weekend September is going amazing. Stubbs Falls Trail. So this hike is about just over 2 kilometers long. Flat ground, good for cyclists and walkers, easy walking. So Saturday afternoon, about 4:45, start to hear the falls a little bit here, so we'll see. Should be up to them fairly soon. Seeing lots more people, lots of kids. So if you're thinking of doing this, definitely easy. So here's the walkway of some sort. Oh, a bunch of stairs down to the falls, so let's see where this brings us. Alright, heading down some steep stairs. Really nice footbridge. A few canoes down there. A couple guys going for a dip. Gonna head down to the rock area. Check it out with Gabby. So this reminds me a bit of Pancake Bay when we went on the Sand Lake Trail. There were a bit of rapids. Kind of cool. Not as good, but still really neat. People walking up there, pretty slippery. I wouldn't want to fall. Bit of a view here. So that was fun. Lots of people down there taking photographs and whatnot. What's nice about this time of year in September is there's no bugs. You're not dealing with mosquitoes galore in some of these wet marshy areas that we're going through right now, which is great. And we were reading in the winter time here at Arrowhead Provincial Park, we think there's at least a dozen cabins you can rent, and they have a skating track here outside. I believe it's like 1.5 kilometers, and snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. So we may come up here in the winter time and check that out. Rent a cabin, that would be super fun. So we're gonna definitely look into that. I've seen it advertised before online about the skating, but I wasn't aware of the cabins. Rental in the winter. And this park's just a little over 2 hours from our house, so no problem coming up on a Friday after work and doing that in the wintertime. Here comes Heather and Lucy. She's doing well. Really green in here, it's nice. So this is the canoe rental area. Paddle boards, beach area. I believe this is beach 1. Really busy, and I think it's a dog park too, or the dog beach. It's nice. All these weekend warriors renting stuff, going crazy. Who knows, that could be us tomorrow. We shall see. This morning we woke up to some rain. It rained most of the night. It's supposed to clear up later today, this afternoon, I think around 1 o'clock. So here's hoping, but it's okay. We'll if it dies down a little bit, we'll take the dogs out and find another hiking trail to go on. So had a good night last night around the fire with my lovely wife, and just cooking some bacon, make some eggs, and see what this day brings. Cooking some Canadian back bacon right there. So the rain stopped probably around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 3 o'clock. So today's been pretty much non-productive as far as going on any hikes, but that's all right. So we were fortunate enough to have our family stop by, Tony and Trudy, for a nice visit, which we thoroughly enjoyed having them here. So that was great. So it's happy hours happening, which is awesome, and we're gonna get some dinner cooking soon and do a nice campfire tonight. So far today's been good. Now that the rain stopped, nice clear skies, so better times ahead.
So here we are at Arrowhead. We're enjoying our campsite. It's very beautiful here. Today's a cold day, cold and rainy, but brightening up, and Anthony's just about to make his dinner, and then we'll have a campfire. So all good.
Yeah, good times coming ahead for sure. Monday morning, just wrapping things up here. Gonna hook the trailer up soon. So this concludes our September long weekend here at Arrowhead Provincial Park. So we had a great time. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like button if you wish. I'd appreciate that down below, and we'll see you on down the road again. Cheers.